Here's how to fix emoji and stickers not showing after iOS update. Go to your iPhone settings app and tap on General. Tap on Keyboard. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and here we can see the emoji stickers. So make sure to turn on these emoji stickers here and then go to your keyboard and check the issue. If you see this emoji option is still missing in your keyboard, then go to settings again and go to general. Under general settings, tap on keyboard, tap on keyboards, and here make sure you have added the emoji keyboard. So tap on add new keyboard and in the search keyboard type here emoji, and all you have to need add the emoji keyboard in this keyboards list, and now on you'll find emojis and stickers in your iPhone keyboard. Thanks for watching.